husband is teaching fighter pilots, most negative person in my husband life to don't do this, please, because my husband is teaching fighter pilots, F-16 pilots in Middle East. So I said, you have, he said, there's so much money. I said, no, we don't need money. You have good job. You are, you know, people respect you, and you are teaching pilot, and now you are selling toothpaste because in the TV, you know, in India, Z TV or Indian TV, they, you know, somebody give a bell door and they said, please, which toothpaste you are using, please try this. So I said, you are doing this to leave your good job. So I said, no, please. So he is very disappointed, come back to Dubai. So he is visiting to us once in a year when the pilots goes to their home, and he have vacation for 1 month. So next year he is doing DXN. So then again he come to Canada, and he said, so when he came to Canada, he spent 1 month with us. We went for vacation or holiday, but he said, no, this time I'm not gonna go somewhere, because there's one lady come from Philippines to Canada and she's earning $10,000 per month. So I want to see her and sit with her, how she's getting 10,000. So morning, have breakfast and run to that lady and sit with her all day. And I'm calling, please, Mr. Ghani, come at home, please. Yes, yes. And evening he come back. So he did this 2 weeks. He's going, come back, go, come. I said, who is this lady? He said, oh, she's working in DXN, earning $10,000. I said, $10,000 from selling toothpaste, this black toothpaste? And so I said, no, I don't believe. He said, yes, I'm telling you. In between, there's one mail comes, DXN mail come, which is check. Mr. Ghani check was that in that envelope. So I opened the envelope, and there's a Mr. Ghani check from DXN, $9. So I said, please, Mr. Ghani, stay at home. I'm gonna give you $100, please. Don't go to that lady. This is not true. Your check is $9. I don't believe she's getting 10,000. He said, no, believe me. I said, no, please take $100, stay at home and spend vacation with us. So this is the journey when he started. After 4 years, I was very sick. I have problem in my uterus, and there's a cyst, and very sick. So the surgery done in Canada, which is they remove everything, my ovaries and uterus, everything they remove, because there's a cyst on ovaries and uterus. So nothing, everything they take it out. So then I was very sick, and the surgery was not successful. My wound open, and they sent me at home, and I lied down for 3 months on the bed, and the nurse come to my house, and she put gauze inside in my wound. They are trying to close the wound, but the wound didn't close. So after 3 months, they sent me again for surgery for the cosmetic surgeon, and he did it again, surgery after 3 months. So I was very sick and weak. 3 months I lie down on bed. I can walk. I don't feel anything, life in my legs. So he came and he bring Rishi and spirulina, and he said, please try this. Take your medicine, which is doctor give me very heavy dose antibiotic, because they don't want infection in my wound. So I was in this situation. I said, okay, I can try whatever he is going to give me. I said, okay, I try. After 4 years he is doing DXN, but I was negative. So then I start Rishi and spirulina, which is then after 2 weeks, I feel little bit better and little bit energy in my body, and I wake up, come out from the bed, walk to kitchen, make 1 cup of tea of myself, and then I said, oh, Mr. Ghani is telling me something. This is something is good to, it give me benefit and help me. So that is the day when I started DXN with my husband, and this is the picture. Now I'm enjoying all over, I'm going all over the world. Now we are going to Philippines. Philippines is my 28th country from DXN, which is I'm visiting. So this is what the story is about behind this picture. That's why now I'm enjoying with my husband, go to the different country doing DXN. I'm really, because the benefit which I got from DXN product, now I'm starting also from last 4 years, I'm with Mr. Ghani all the time.